Epstein with your Morning Flash Update, and this update is for the morning of Friday, and we're at the 8th of July already, 2022, about 8:35 a.m. Central Time. You've had the jobs data. I'll go into it in a minute, but you can see the reaction in the stock market is negative. Let's step over to the bonds and notes. You see that they're down. The dollar, a bid, not much of one, a slight bid in it. Not much reaction in the metal markets to this at all. Bitcoin, I just mentioned it because it did get up to 22,550. It has since acting like it may have peaked out at that particular zone. And we're very stable in all of the energy markets. You tried to break today in the nat gas again down to 607.90, but it has since just now come back up rather smartly. The market's just acting like, hey, maybe there's some weather on the horizon, more demand coming. But let's go as we could here to the morning, and I'll flip over to the page that I need, and it's right here. We wake up to a shocker. Former Japanese Prime Minister Abe, who recently resigned due to health reasons, was speaking at a political event in Japan. Gunman walks up from behind, kills him. They don't have a lot of guns, by the way, in Japan. I understand it was a homemade gun because they are just unbelievably tight. One of my closest friends is Japanese, and my wife went there with her, and just a wonderful experience. But that's just how the country is. If you want to shoot a gun, it's pellet guns and so on that are very popular there. Unbelievable. All right, let's get to the non-farm payroll. A big surprise, 372,000 jobs. I don't know anyone that was calling for an increase like that. Most people were in the 268 range. 372, wow. All right, and then we go, where did this come from? They revised May down 6,000. We look at the unemployment numbers, the private sector. That's what I want to see. 51,000 added there. It's not from the government. So it is the general market. The labor force participation rate did slip 1/10, but not very much. You're not dragging people back in. That I can see. The hourly earnings were right in line month over month with what the market was looking for. Not too different as you look here at the year over year number either, and up 10 cents. Okay, there's not a lot of wage pressure, but here's the surprise. We are looking at Challenger Gray. We're looking at other parts of the market. I'm seeing in the JOLTS data how the jobs are starting to slip away, and this number comes out like that. That's the surprise. So we'll see what happens with it. May wholesale inventories data will be updated today at 9 o'clock. Federal Reserve will update consumer credit. Tesla, a record amount of cars produced in China, way beyond what anybody thought they were going to do. Most of it, I would say 99% for the domestic market. So that's another boon to what the market, in fact, did see right through there. So you put it all together and you got to come up with game plans. And that's where I think we fit in with maybe what you need in our futures trading kit. Now, what do I mean by this? I put together an idea of everything in one area. So let's assume you want charting software. We have it. Let's assume you want to take a look at some of the free courses that I have, such as pivot points. It's all in here. Let's assume you want to look at chart patterns. That's what I'm showing right there. I'll give you the 14 major chart patterns, and then cause and effect. Now, let me explain cause and effect. I created this when Paul Volcker, I know many of you don't even know who he was, but it's the last time inflation was going insane in America. And he started creating things similar to what Powell has to follow now to battle it. So the cause and effect, what happens when the Fed does this, this, and this, it all happens. Then the CME courses. We've got a number of them that we give you links to here. Basically everything the Merc has, all in one place. We make it easy for you. While you're getting this and you go to our website under free offers, you might want to get a free trial to the Linn research, to my own research. We offer that to people. How do you get this? Well, as you can see, you go to our website under free offers or just follow me. You can take your cursor, just move it on up here, and when you see the icon, give it a click. You'll be right in the area that you need. Take a look at this. There's a lot of information you won't get anywhere else. A lot of it's proprietary to us, and I think you'll find it offers you a slew of ideas on what you want to do. For those of you that are already trading, when you go to the free offers area, you'll see all the things we offer that just might help you with your trading acumen. How's that? I'm Ira Epstein. I will see you over the weekend with our weekend review. We'll do that on the weekly charts, obviously. Have a good trading day.